Common people of Champahour Behalabari Sukhiya village set on road blockade of Khowai-Kamalpur on Monday as they did not get money off their land that they gave for the construction of national highway. Champahour police immediately rushed to the spot as soon as they got the information of the blockade. In the last year 2023, land of common people of Champahour Behalabari Sukhiya village were taken by the government for the construction of highway, promising them to give money. But 1 year has completed, but they still did not get the amount, which is why common people of Champahour Behalabari Sukhiya village set on road blockade of Khowai-Kamalpur on Monday as they did not get money of their land that they gave for the construction of national highway. With that, both sides of the traffic were stuck in both sides, and the villagers claimed that they will not lift the blockade till their demands are met.
Ngay puila bolong hok pruno borok saka tung kas roya kon bolong hok tu tung mana khaten dai hok sawa tung bolong hok sibe ke se no no tung dang binai gai pon bolong hok goi pai kha tung hai pon maya ko tai se borok taw ro pai kha jaga wa apru maya ko tabu go buduk do goi pai be kha hai pon tung taw burang do maya
busrok baloka je tawr kabene bo hai bo bisu kaimena bo
iko 2023 kai man de rang khai baksa mangkha baksa maya baksa ga January mangkha 2024 taw betung man ya kita
genno tabuk sabon nasnai tongoro je mo hakela mo kasen
tahu semua officer orang nasi tunggu video TDM te utawan manager cuma belum cuma nasi tunggu engineer
jor jadi bo na tin borok final hoi mala phe genno bujor ti kasrane mo lama
je phaya sa tong nai lama
no mo bo tin bo am sai tin mo no mo lama kasle mene
semua Sukhiya ni di debil am sai
Khowai-Kamalpur road Sukhiya bari under flight.
Champahour police immediately rushed to the spot as soon as they got the information, but the higher officials did not arrive at the location till the time of the news reporting. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini Khorang.